going to be?
I want to take it out.
Tell Grandpa what you're going to be for Halloween.
I'll take it out.
You got to tell Grandpa what that is.
The Halloween.
I know, but what are you going to be?
Just put my dress on it. They sell me the costume.
I know, but tell Grandpa, what are you going to be?
Come on, my Halloween too. My hat. Wait. Oh, let me push it.
You got a hat.
Yeah.
And what kind of hat is it?
Halloween hat.
Is it a witch's hat?
Yeah.
Oh, so you're going to be a witch for Halloween.
Yeah. And candy. And candy. Wait, what is this?
Is the hat black?
Yeah.
Is it
No,
black?
it's blue. Blue. Wait, what is my blue? The blue.
Blue?
Yeah.
It's black.
Back. What do you want it? What do you want it? What do you want it?
Okay, later.
Trying to see what that light is.
Is that my light?
Is it dark out there yet?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, it's hot. It's hot.
Is it dark outside?
No, hot.
You go outside and look at the moon?
Yeah.
And
Yeah, for Jay's house.
Grandpa just saw a shooting star. Well, I'll look at the moon, and you and Grandpa will be looking at the moon together.
Oh.
And I'm looking at the moon.
No, Cousin. What? What?
Go out and look at the moon,
Oh.
and you and me will be looking at the moon together, because I'm looking at the moon.
Oh. I'm going to your house.
Now I'm at my house.
Yeah. You have...
Huh? Hello?
You have...
Now I'm at home. I'm at my house.
You have... You have... Hold on, Papa. What it?
No, you can put it on another day.
Oh, the hat.
Another day. No, Madison.